All right, these are CPAP mask wipes. They're the Snuggle brand, and it's a small container. And then each pack has 10 wipes in it. These are unscented wipes, and to be honest, they look and feel a lot like a just a normal cheap baby wipe. They do not have any scent, which is good. There's no like offensive odor. They do have scented ones, but these ones are unscented and they definitely have no scent. They are about 6 inches by 7 3/4 of an inch. And we use them to clean my daughter's CPAP or BiPAP tubing mask every day. And then we also use it. She has some other respiratory equipment. So this is a cough assist, and we clean her cough assist mask with these. And then we also clean her oxygen masks with these. Basically anything that she's going to be breathing in, we clean. So if you have a BiPAP machine, a CPAP machine, a nebulizer, oxygen masks, any kind of that stuff that's going to go on your face and maybe gets your breath on, secretions on, we have found these a great thing. Our respiratory therapist recommended we get them to clean all of her respiratory equipment with. So, and they work great. We haven't had any skin irritation with them. Like I said, these are absolutely 100% unscented. They don't leave any kind of scent on stuff. And they come in this box. You get like a bunch in there. They are lint-free, alcohol-free, unscented, cleansing safe. I bought these in 2025, I believe, August 2025, and they say that they expire in May of 2027. So they didn't send me something old about to expire. Again, you just take one out, throw it away when it's used. And yeah, we've been using them. They don't irritate our skin. They help keep respiratory stuff clean. And hope this helps you know if it's something you'd like to buy.